What is a fraction? Ratio of two numbers is called a fraction. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7. So in simple words, here we write two whole numbers like 4 and 9 and then separate them by a horizontal line. So this becomes a fraction. I can write another example like 1 and 7 and then I separate them by a horizontal line. So this also becomes a fraction. Now we'll move on to the next topic, that is, how do we read a fraction? This is read as 2 by 5 or 2/5. This fraction is read as 3 by 7 or 3/7. Now we'll study about parts of a fraction. There are two parts of a fraction. First one is called the numerator and the second one is called the denominator. So what actually is a numerator and the denominator? Numerator is the number written at the top, whereas the denominator is the number written at the bottom. So for example, if I take a fraction 2 by 5, in this case, because 2 is written at the top, so 2 becomes the numerator, and similarly because 5 is written at the bottom, so 5 becomes the denominator. Our next topic is expressing in fraction. Suppose I have a circle. This undivided circle is considered as a whole, and in fraction we write it as 1. Now if I have another circle which is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I shade one of its part, then how do I express this in fraction? First of all, I count the number of parts the circle is divided into. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I write 4 in the denominator, and then I count the number of parts which are shaded. That is 1. So I write 1 in the numerator. So this circle with one of its shaded part is expressed in fraction as 1 by 4. If I see another example here where I have taken a rectangle and I have divided it into 8 equal parts, and I shade 3 of its parts. Now this can be represented in fraction as, first I'll count the number of parts, total parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I count the number of parts which are shaded. That is 1, 2, 3. So I write 3 in the numerator. This becomes the fraction. So here we learn a new definition of fraction, which is fraction is a part of the whole object. I have another question for you all, in which I have taken a triangle and I have divided it into 3 equal parts and I shade one of its part. Now how can this be expressed in fraction? You all can try this question and I'll mention the answer in the description box below so that you can check whether the answer is correct or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.